All right, hello everyone. It's Tim Davis coming to you guys with another market review, and we're going to start off with taking a look at the weekly charts again. The weekly charts, so they take precedence over the daily charts when we have so many strong moves that's been occurring over the past several weeks. Today is December the 3rd, 2022. It's on a Saturday, and what you have before you is if you look at a weekly chart of the VIX. And I want to point out a couple things. So with the VIX on the weekly chart, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red candles in a row on a weekly basis. We are far overdue for a green week. The last time we had 10 in a row was back here between June and August, and then got that big green week. So next week could be possibly a big green week for the VIX, and then we could gap up as a possibility. So pay close attention to that. Looking at the full stochastic, it's definitely in oversold territory. Range percentage in oversold territory. And the CCI looks like there is a possible turnaround about to happen. It's also oversold territory, with the lower band line about to turn upward and head back up to us what top. So we got to pay attention to this. The VIX could get a big bid next week. So that is a possibility. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Take a look at Dow Jones futures, actually. All right. Point out a couple things here. Sure, we had a nice rally off the bottom from September all the way to December. Nice run for a couple months. But have we broken out of this bear market? I don't think so. We're still in this bear market. Nice run. We could draw a trend line from where we the highs from where we are to where we are now. Where we were to where we are now. Looks like the price action may be about to peter out here. Look at the full stochastics. It's in overbought territory. Range percentage in overbought territory. CCI like it's ready to hinge and head lower. And this is a wide. This channel that we've been in, so we're still in a downtrending channel. Now we got a very, very wide spectrum at the end from the lows to the highs from where we are now, creating this megaphone type pattern. So we could start to see some pressure on the downside and possibly in a big way. Here is the S&P minis. And it has a similar look, still in this downtrending channel at the top of the channel as we speak. So will we break through that channel and just continue to head higher, look for new highs and turn into a bull market? I doubt that. NASDAQ futures, same thing, still in this downward trending channel. We're back up towards the top of the channel now. And last but not least, Russell 2000 futures, same thing, still in this downward trending channel. And we're back at the top of the channel. So next week is going to be a real tell sign for the markets. We're still in the bear market. That hasn't changed, and there's still a lot of negativity out there that can stifle this rally. So keep that in mind as we go along through the rest of this year, because we could start to see some huge moves to the downside. Keep that in mind. One thing I want to point out for you guys to consider and take a look at is silver, folks. With all that is going on, silver has been creeping up slowly but surely and trying to make a bid. This is a weekly chart of silver. You see the overall pattern in the full stochastic. See how it's just has been turning up for quite a bit. since August, actually before August, we've seen a trend heading upward in the full stochastics. Also, a trend heading upward in the wins percentage, as well as CCI. It's been trending up for quite a bit. So it looks like silver wants to find a way to go higher, folks. It had a nice, it formed a nice little bottom for several months. Since July, we've been sticking towards these lows right around 18, in between 21 to 18. We've been sticking around this level for quite some time, several months. And it looks like we're above that level now, made up to almost 24. So from July all the way until October, 4 months, we've been in this trading range. We are starting to break out of this trading range on silver. So that's something to keep your eye on. That may be something to consider. All right, folks, that's all I have. It's going to be a real short one because there's not much going on right now. This weekend, and also, as you can see, we're still in the bear market. I don't care what it looks like. We're still in the bear market until that changes. And there's a lot of negativity that's still within the economic backdrop. All right, enjoy the rest of your weekend, folks, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.